After 3 months of dispute and arguments, both parties involved are finally in agreement with a new contract for UPMC Altoona's union nurses after the nurses agreed to the 3-year deal.
Our Jack McCune spoke with a nurse at the union, SEIU Healthcare, to learn the impact that this contract will have.
A fight that goes back to the summer is finally over.
I finally exhaled last night. I mean, it's been so long and treacherous.
The Altoona UPMC Nurses Union, SEIU Healthcare, voted yes last night on a 3-year contract starting in January after UPMC Altoona and the union agreed on the deal earlier this week, which took over 3 months and multiple times a week to negotiate.
So time consuming. And there are days where we might only pass 2 proposals back and forth with each other, and we're there all day.
The contract will invest more in the nurses and fight the staffing shortage. Nurse Jamie Balsamo and fellow union members fought to increase starting rates and have wages increase over the first 3 years. Plus, those working special shifts like overnight and those with a bachelor's in nursing will have added benefits, all to get more nurses on board.
The moral injury when we go home at night, knowing that we couldn't do our absolute best for our patients because we had too many of them to care for, that moral injury is so great.
That fight, however, wasn't easy. In fact, Balsamo says the union almost went on strike.
Friday afternoon, we were headed that way, and then Friday evening, we did some hardcore negotiating and kept encouraging our negotiator to call back to corporate and get us where we needed to be.
Balsamo says, however, it was all worth it because
it is the absolute strongest contract UPMC has ever given a facility. So we are proud of that.
In a statement to WTAJ, UPMC Altoona President Jan Fisher says it's a great package for their nurses that supports their goal to invest in their people. I'm Jack McCune for WTAJ News.